Matereba makiria ma 30 nio maranyitite gikiro-ini kia ucidani wa iguru ikereka-ini iria mwaka uyu ria mahenya ma ngari mathi ma safari irari gikiro-ini giki bururi ukirirukirio vendera yaguo ni matereba mari na umenyeru wa ihinda iraya ta Karan Patel, Karl Flash Tundo, Jeremiah Wahome orodumwe na Pauline Shegu. Higo ya kuhurithia cabi mbitika ici rucini rwa umuthi mwena wa barabara ya City Hall guku Nairobi, President wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto akiuga itanya ni gukuruhania mbeu njithi makiria miaka-ini yukite.
We also want to create more opportunities for young Kenyans to participate in motorsport. To this end, the government of Kenya will support the FIS Affordable Cross Car Project, which aims to develop motorsport talent in Kenya. I thank FIA for providing free design blueprints for these cars, encouraging local manufacturing while minimizing what it will cost.
Oho Ruto akiuga kuhaririria gwa ikereka riri ria mwaka uyu ni kuhonokeirie bururi mamilioni ma mbeca.
And I insisted that this year it must cost less for the government of Kenya. I'm happy again that it came down by another 320 million. This year it's going to cost 980 million. I want to encourage the private sector. I am looking forward to the day when this will cost zero for the government of Kenya and the private sector will take it up.
Mwena wake CS wa mathako Salim Mvurya akienda Kenya kwiyumiria kwiyonera mwago wa utwarithia wa ngari cia rari.
We are ready with all the routes and all the events from now, and I want to invite Kenyans to enjoy the spectacular moment of this rally, because it is not just a motorsport, but it is an inspiration of all our economic ecosystem.
Na thutha wa kuhurithio cabi matereba merekeire ikereka-ini ria mbere mwena wa Kasarani akuria njorua ya thi utwarithiini wa ngari ci Elvin Evans agiteithiririo ni Scott Martin mahotanire. Wakeri oima Thierry Neuville wa bururi wa Belgium guku njorua ya mwaka muthiru Claire Van Peer akirikia ari wa gatatu. Rucio mithiguko iri gacokerithia mwena wa Camp Moran, Roldia Kenjen Geothamo na Kedong rucini na hwaini. Handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Inoro TV, njitagwo Mugure wa Karuiru.